Top interview questions and answers.
Jnr Web Developer.
6. Tell me about a time when you had to debug an issue in a website or application.
Certainly. One memorable instance of debugging occurred while I was working on a web application for an e-commerce platform. Users were reporting issues with the checkout process, specifically encountering errors when attempting to submit their orders. To address this issue, I followed a systematic debugging approach. 1. Reproduction. The first step was to replicate the issue myself. I went through the checkout process on various devices and browsers to observe the behavior firsthand. After several attempts, I encountered the error as reported by users. 2. Error identification. Using browser developer tools and server logs, I analyzed the error messages to understand the nature of the problem. In this case, I found that the error was related to an inconsistency between the data being sent from the client-side form and the server-side processing. 3. Code review. I carefully reviewed the relevant sections of both the front-end and back-end code to identify any potential issues. This involved examining the JavaScript functions responsible for handling form submissions and the corresponding server-side scripts that processed the order data. 4. Testing and validation. After identifying a possible cause, I implemented a fix and tested it thoroughly to ensure that it resolved the issue without introducing new bugs. This involved not only retesting the checkout process but also conducting broader regression testing to confirm that the fix did not impact other functionalities of the application. 5. Documentation and communication. Finally, I documented the debugging process, including the steps taken and the solution implemented. I also communicated the resolution to the rest of the team and provided instructions for deploying the fix to the production environment. Through this debugging process, I was able to identify and resolve the issue affecting the checkout process, improving the overall usability and reliability of the e-commerce platform for users. It underscored the importance of thorough testing, meticulous code review, and effective communication in addressing and resolving technical issues in web development projects.